Uh, Hi, good morning to Madam Salia. My name is Farid Farhan. I'm from EW student, course Bachelor of Computer Science. So today I would like to present assignment 2, subject System Analysis Design and Architecture. Okay, based on the following figure 1 and 2, so I would choose figure 1, and I would like to explain what actually is presented on the screen. For software architecture, abstraction of software is actually the abstraction of notation is central of understanding representative of the requirement for the software. Okay, so the design put very simply to use abstraction using design give the designer freedom to certain detail for investigation or choosing the software for system to develop the system. Okay, so to use the abstraction to allow of designer freely shift his focus of the design to another from level of detail to the other details. Okay, so while while using the abstraction is invaluable of engineering of architecture field is explicit formulation achieved in software engineering. Okay, so software engineering is primarily a concern of the representation of software architecture and abstraction of software. Okay. The next one is we have the it's going to analysis model. Okay, analysis model is the technical representation of the system. It's as like link between system description and design model. In analysis modeling, information, behavior, and function of the system are defined and translate into the architecture, component, and interface level and design modeling. Right. So objective of analysis modeling is to establish the way of creating software design, describe the requirement of the customers, and define set of requirement that can be validated once the software is in the building process. Okay, so there are a few items in the analysis modeling is like data dictionary, entity relationship diagram, ERD, data flow diagram, DFD, and state transition diagram. All right. Okay. So data dictionary is repository. It consists of description of all data objects produced by the software. Right. So for the entity relation program is relationship between data object is used to conduct the modeling activities while developing the system. Okay. For data flow is the function that transforms all the data, and is also show how the data is transmit or move through the system. Okay. Input, output, some things like that. Okay. So the context would be represented for the context problem also is how to divide the software projects into the group such as particular subsets. The lesson from the projects are relevant to the others, or manually we can define, we can say this process of asking some expert to propose project grouping, right? For example, a software estimation model like we or divide to embedded or semi-detached, organic, and something so on. Okay, then we have represented also for the solution context is identities critical aspect of operation environments or solution is provided an essential understanding or requirement, usage, installations, operation support, and solution itself. Okay. The solution context heavily influence opportunities constraint for release software on demand. Okay. Understanding on the solution context is very crucial value delivery impact development for project development, where solution context capabilities, features, or non-functional requirement is provide the opportunity limits and constraint for the continuous delivery pipeline software architecture in the solution level release or demanding activities. Okay, right. So the solution context is often drive so many few factors like outside of the organization to develop the solution, or level of context generally represented for architecture, system, and business challenge to design the system itself, right? So actually based on this one, actually is explaining how the works using we are developing a system architecture. So level by level we have what is the data, what is the input we required, and output, what is the output reflected for the meaning for the model we are choosing, for the design we are choosing, for the what is for the how we manage the data flow, why we are developing an application system. Okay, so that's all from me, madam. So thank you and have a nice day.